back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing strawberry guava lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing and delicious strawberry guava lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have water, a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemons, strawberry, frozen or fresh, and of course, a Chinese guava, nice and large. So let's get started. I want to start by first making my simple syrup. To make this simple syrup, you only need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. Take it to the stove. Let the water boil until the sugar has dissolved and your simple syrup is ready. Put it aside so it gets to room temperature before you add it to your delicious and amazing homemade lemonade. Well, here I have my lemons. I'm going to slice them through the center. These are organic lemons from my lemon tree. They are small, but believe me, they have a lot of juice inside of them. And of course, using this little gadget, I am able to get all the juice out of the lemon. Look at this. I want to show you that even it comes out with all the pulp, and that's what's really going to give this lemonade an amazing flavor. My mouth is already watering, just smelling the aroma of the lemon and the juice dropping into the plate. Just amazing. Well, here I am going to continue getting this delicious and amazing lemon juice from my organic lemons. Look at this. I'm not leaving anything behind. And of course, now I have 1 cup of the lemon juice with the pulp. I made sure that I took out the seeds because you don't want any seeds in this amazing lemonade. Well, now I'm going to put it aside and I am going to continue with my Chinese guava. When I say Chinese guava, it's because this guava was exported from China and it's very large. It's larger than an apple. It's so sweet from the inside. It's so juicy. When you cut it through the center, you could really smell the aroma of the guava. I'm going to leave the skin on. I'm not going to remove the skin because I want all the properties and the vitamins that the skin has in my lemonade. So I'm going to chop it in squares so that I could add it into my blender. This is what takes a little longer getting your ingredients ready. But let me tell you, when this strawberry guava lemonade is ready, you are really going to love it. I'm going to transfer it to this plate and then I am ready to blend away the guava and the strawberries in my blender cup. Of course, I have my guava, I have my frozen strawberries. You could use frozen strawberries or fresh strawberries. In hand, I had frozen, so that's why I'm using frozen. Here, I am going to go ahead and add some water. Remember, don't forget to add your pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up all those amazing flavors and it's going to help with the acidity of the lemon. I'm going to blend it really good just for a couple minutes and then it is done. You could even see the little specks of the guava. The smell of the guava is just so concentrated that believe me, I can't wait to enjoy this refreshing strawberry guava lemonade. I'm going to go ahead, pour it in here. I am going to add some water. I'm going to add the simple syrup. And I'm going to add my pinch of salt. I have the lemon. I'm going to add my simple syrup. Remember, the simple syrup is to taste. You don't need to add the whole cup of the simple syrup. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and mix very well. Of course, I'm going to get a pitcher. I'm going to add enough ice, and I'm really going to enjoy this amazing strawberry guava lemonade. I'm sorry I didn't film when I added my pinch of salt. But like I told you, the pinch of salt really brings up all those amazing flavors. And here I'm adding and being very generous with my ice. I'm going to go ahead and start pouring the strawberry guava lemonade. Look at this. The color looks so beautiful. The aroma of the guava and strawberry. This combination is really refreshing and delicious. My friends, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video on social media. And I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious guava strawberry lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So refreshing. The combination of the guava and strawberry, just amazing. I hope, my friends, you can make this amazing and refreshing guava strawberry lemonade. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing guava strawberry lemonade. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.